Here's a delicious recipe for roasted red pepper and feta stuffed mushrooms. These flavorful and savory stuffed mushrooms make for a perfect appetizer or snack. Ingredients: 16 large white or cremini mushrooms, cleaned and stems removed. 1/2 cup roasted red peppers, finely chopped. You can use store-bought or roast your own. 1/2 cup crumbled feta cheese. 1/4 cup fresh breadcrumbs. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 2 tablespoons fresh parsley, chopped. 2 tablespoons olive oil. Salt and black pepper, to taste. Instructions: preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. Clean the mushrooms and remove the stems. You can use a small spoon to hollow out the center of the mushroom caps slightly to create more space for the filling. In a mixing bowl, combine the chopped roasted red peppers, crumbled feta cheese, fresh breadcrumbs, minced garlic, and fresh parsley. Mix well to combine the ingredients. Drizzle the olive oil over the mushroom caps and season them with a pinch of salt and black pepper. Stuff each mushroom cap with the red pepper and feta mixture, pressing the filling down slightly. Place the stuffed mushrooms on a baking sheet or in a baking dish. Bake in the preheated oven for about 20–25 minutes, or until the mushrooms are tender and the filling is golden and bubbly. Remove the stuffed mushrooms from the oven and let them cool for a few minutes before serving. Garnish with additional chopped parsley if desired. These roasted red pepper and feta stuffed mushrooms are a delightful combination of flavors and textures, making them a great appetizer for any occasion. Enjoy!